Hello friends, welcome to Technology Love. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the case cover of a GoPro. All you have to do is take this out, and here you have to snap it out. Just try pulling it. It'll come out like this, and then you move it back. Opens up like a convertible, and if you pull it, this comes down and you can take out your camera, put it aside. Now if you want to change this cover, it comes with I got mine with two other extra attachments. This one has a gap right here, which is good for if I need a good audio, and these two are if I want to go to some place with water or in ocean. So all you have to do to take this out is, if you look closely, you'll find that this is not covered at all, and this is where you would be able to snap it out. So just very gently, if you push it a little hard, you'll feel that it's going to break, but it does not. This is how it is designed. And then you can just put back the other one. Say I'm going to put this one, just put it back in the same slot, and bang, that's it. Steady. You can put back your camera and close it. All you have to do is just push it back and give it a push here. That's it. Ready to rock. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.